stage and let's pose for the judges. Pay attention. Pay attention. Yeah, let's pose for the judges. Yeah, this one. Okay, oh wow, Mimi's posing as well. 667. Good viewing score from this wonderful duo.